I'm in Langley City. I've got this contemporary 3-level townhome, plus this gorgeous rooftop that's just massive. You've got mountain views, close to transit, close to shopping, and top schools in the area. I'm Elliot Chun at the Partners. Let's take a look inside.
Kick off your shoes, turn off the news today.
Inside we have 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms are upstairs, 3 bathrooms, plus a 2-car tandem covered garage.
No better time to clear your mind and watch the clouds roll away. So shake off the blues, it's all in the moves you make. Hey, hey. Everything is gonna work out. Everything is gonna work out. If it's upside down, inside out, I know that some way, somehow. Everything is gonna work.